Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. You can see the error on the screen. 10.0 is required to run the engine. So why you get this issue? So if you don't have the DirectX version 10.0 or the later, you will get this issue. So first of all, we need to make sure that we have the DirectX later 10.0 version. So you need to press Windows plus R button together, or directly go to search bar, type there run, and you will see it run. Open that, and on the search reel you need to type DX and click on OK. And once you click on OK, you will see your DirectX details as well as your graphic card details on your Windows. So this is you can see this is the details of my Windows. So in my case, DirectX version is 12, so I will not face any issue in this window. So also you need to make sure that you have 10 or later. That go to display and you can see the feature label. Make sure it is newer than 10.0 version. If you don't have the feature label newer than 10.0, it means that you need to update your graphic card driver, or you need to purchase the graphic card driver if the updating not solve your problem. So we will try the updating the driver first. Go to device manager, open that, and go to display adapter, expand that, right click on the driver and simply update it. Search automatically for drivers, and you should be connected to the internet, and click on close. And also you can right click, update, browse, and you can choose the latest driver from here. Click on next, and you will see the driver is installing, and this process will reinstall the driver. And close this and check if it fixes the issue or not. If it does not fix your issue, so you can go to the manufacturer website and install the latest driver from there. You need to, on the search bar, you need to type here HP driver download if you are using the HP laptop. If you are using the Lenovo laptop, Lenovo driver download, select that option and click on driver download and software. Similarly you can do with all the driver you have. And if you have the manufacturer driver, so you can see NVIDIA drivers, and go to the site and you will see product series, and you can choose this option which operating system you have, and click on search. Now you will see the latest driver from you will see the manufacturer website driver on your. Also, if you have the custom built PC, you can click on download and install the latest graphic driver. If you don't have the custom driver, so you can go to you need to put here the serial number. Open the CMD and type here wmic BIOS, get serial number together, and hit enter. Once you hit enter, let me type the command wmic BIOS get serial number. I will give these command into my description box. You just need to select that. So in my case, I'm using here the HP laptop. Go to the HP site and select here the product, whether you are using desktop or laptop. I'm using laptop, and you need to put here the serial number here. And once you click on submit, you can do the same thing with here. And choose the operating system and its version. Click on submit and go to all drivers, and once you go to all drivers you need to go look for this option, driver graphics. Select that and install the latest driver, Intel high definition SD graph. You can see the date wise. Click on download and click on no, I will install it manually. Download has started here. Now download is done. You can go to the download option here, or you can directly double click it from here, go to download, and you can see this is the exe of graphic card. Double click on that and click on yes button. When the prompt opens, click on next, install it simply, click on next. So once the installation is done, restart your system and it should fix your issue. If your issue is still not fixed, we can go to the browser and we need to go to the directx. Just download that directx, download, and go to the Microsoft website and download the directx from the official website. You can see the download option here. Just click on download and this is also going to download. Just run it from here and click on yes button when the prompt opens and accept it. Next, next, and let it install the directx and this will fix your issue. Once the directx is installed successfully, also restart your system and it will fix your issue. One another tip I should like to give you, that you need to make sure that you are using the latest Windows. If not, you can go to the check for update and update the pending updates. So hopefully guys, your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.